Good morning everyone, my name is Jade and I am the school captain. Welcome back to our first assembly for term 4. Today we join you from our beautiful playground. We hope that you had a fantastic week back at school and enjoyed seeing your friends and teachers again. I will now read out the acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging. Here is Gavani.
Hello, my name is Gavani and I am the SRC chairperson. Good morning everyone. It is now time for the national anthem. Please remove your hats and stand quietly with your hands behind your backs. Please sing along in a nice strong voice and do not sit until asked to do so. Thank you everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here is Lachlan.
Hello, my name is Lachlan and I'm the SRC chairperson. Good morning everyone. There will not be any Commonwealth awards this week. Awards will resume next week. However, we would like to acknowledge all the students at Lintus who have done an exceptional job returning to face-to-face learning. Congratulations on the fantastic way you approached your learning last week. You should be proud of yourselves. Here is Christian.
Hello, my name is Christian. I'm school captain. Good morning, everyone. Here's Mr. Lacey to present this week's principal's report.
Hi there everyone, and thanks to Christian for welcoming me to the assembly. It's so nice to be in our playground. Look at this weather. It's like the sunshine has just welcomed us back to school. I've been on the gates in the morning and watching so many of our kids come in with smiling faces, so I'm sure you're so pleased to be back with your friends and back with your teacher. And I'm looking at our playgrounds, I'm looking at the beautiful flowering gums, and I saw lots of rainbow lorikeets this morning. It's so nice to have everyone back and have our school back to nearly normal. Hopefully there's a time soon where we can all get together in the gym and have a full-on assembly, but at least we're back at school, at least you're back in class, you've all come back to school so ready for learning and so glad about meeting your teachers and your friends. It's just been a really great start. So as the weeks go on this term, hopefully we can all keep each other safe and do the right thing. You've been great at bringing your drink bottles and doing all the things you need to do. Can you also thank your parents for how cooperative they've been? I know this is a big effort for them to leave you at the gate and leave you to be responsible for yourself as you're coming through, but you've always so grown up, and I just want to thank you for that. It's just been terrific, and have a great week everybody. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Lacey. Well, that will conclude our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lintus values. Please stay seated and follow your teacher's directions.
Bye everyone.